Hello, here's another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to do a different question in the same series, click on the information bar here and that'll take you to the playlist. If you're going to do this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you didn't, keep watching and I'll explain. So a rubber belt in an electrostatic machine has a width of 0.1 meters and moves with a speed of 0.4 meters per second. Each square meter of the belt carries a charge Q coulomb. The charge is removed and transferred to a metal sphere. So we've got a Van de Graaff machine here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find out how much area of the belt moves each second. So the area per unit of time. Well, the area per second is going to be the width multiplied by the length per second that goes through. So it's going to be 0.1 multiplied by 0.4, and that's going to give me 0.04 meters squared per second. Well, we're told that a square meter carries charge Q. So 0.04 of a meter squared is going to carry 0.04 Q per second. The answer is B. I hope you found that useful. I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.